Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a must-read book for anyone who is interested in becoming a day trader, whether you're trading stocks, forex, or in my case, cryptocurrencies. And that book is this book here, which is Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. Now, at the end of the video, I will be giving away this book. So you might want to stick around and see how you can actually win this book that is a paperback version of the book. Now with that all being said, let's take a look at what this book is actually about. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, which was originally published in 1923, is an engaging and entertaining book that offers valuable insights into the mind of one of the greatest traders of all time. It is a biography of sorts. The book actually tells the story of the life of Jesse Livermore, one of the most successful and well-known stock traders of the early 20th century. Written in the first person with Jesse Livermore himself as the narrator, the book starts with Livermore as a young boy in the late 1800s, working in a stock brokerage office and learning the basics of the stock market. From there, it follows Livermore through his various ups and downs as a trader, including his early successes, his biggest losses, and eventual comeback as a successful trader. Throughout the book, Livermore shares his insights and observations about the stock market, including his belief in the importance of studying market trends and understanding human psychology. He also talks about some of his strategies for trading, such as his pivotal points or pivot points method and his emphasis on cutting losses quickly. That should all sound very familiar if you've been watching my videos for any length of time. So with that all being said, the book is a fascinating look into the world of stock trading in the 20th century and offers many valuable lessons for modern traders as well. Now, some of the key takeaways from the book include the importance of discipline and patience, the need to be flexible and adaptable in response to changing market conditions, and the dangers of overconfidence and greed. Overall, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a timeless classic that remains a must-read for anyone interested in the art of trading. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking about the book. If you're interested in actually winning this book, all you need to do is leave a comment down below, but you do need to be one of my YouTube channel members, and member comments do get a little special icon next to their name when they leave a comment, and so a winner will be selected from those comments with that special little icon. Now, if you're interested in becoming a YouTube channel member, just simply go to my YouTube channel, Recon Trader, click on the join button right here, and from here you can select from either a squad membership or a special forces membership. And both squad members or special force members will be eligible to win the book. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Now, if you're interested in future videos like this one, you might want to shoot the subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. Again, drop those comments in the comment section down below for a chance to actually win the book. And until next time, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.